Hey everybody, today we're going to talk to you about the Wagner FURNO 500. This is part of their new heat gun series, and we really like this tool. It's super convenient, super fun to use when doing all sorts of crafty projects. We primarily use it for creating a wood burn effect on our pieces, but it's also great for melting crayons, melting plastic, heating up pipes. You can shrink wrap, you can do all sorts of things with this heat gun. We've had some Wagner heat guns in the past, and this one is definitely the best one we've ever had. It's got so many cool features. One of the great things about this Wagner FURNO series is that they do have a temperature control. It allows you to have up to 6 different heats settings that range from a wide variety from hot to very hot, and also a couple of different temperature or fan controls that will help you with whatever project you're doing. So depending on what you're working with, you might want the temperature cooler or hotter and the fan speed lower or faster. Also, when you cut this off, it also switches to a cool down mode, which it turns off the heat and just blows air through the end of the heat gun to cool itself off in just a matter of a couple of minutes. So the Wagner FURNO 500 is really cool wood burning tool. It makes this awesome kind of charred look on all types of wood. Basically, the way to do it is we just do a slow motion very close to the wood surface. And the great thing about this FURNO 500 is that it does have the adjustable temperature controls and fan speed. So depending on what type of char you're looking for and how quickly or slowly you want to move, there's a lot of different options. So, in conclusion, we really like the Wagner FURNO 500. It's an awesome tool for a lot of crafty projects. If you want to see more uses for this thing, you can just click the link below to go to our full review on our blog and see some other projects that we've done with it.